Hi guys, welcome to the last video of cloth making. Cloth already made, but now we will do some lighting and rendering stuff for better showcasing. So let's do it. So first now we will take a camera, which is Shift A camera. Here I will place an angle which is suitable. Let's say this angle or this angle. For me, I just like this angle. So I will now control alt and 0, which is now this, and shift, I think tilde key, this one, tilde key, to move this thing like this way, and for W for going front, and S for going outside, and A for left side, and D for right side, like this type of. And I would like to set up like a this way for now, and let's add a plane in the background, which is the RX90, and move to the Z axis more. I would like to scale more, like uh, around this way, and X axis this way, kind of now, and move to Y axis more. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking well. And for the background, let's go in the shading tab and click on that mesh and click on new, like this way, and click on material and give a name. For me, I just name it background. Okay, I put a name background and 0. 0 key, if you press 0 key, it will be view as a camera view, like this way. So for here I want to just have a kind of a this color, I think so, and put a roughness little bit low, and also specular 0 or very low. I just put now for 0. Now let's go to layout and shift A, and take a light. Let's take let's take a point light first. We can take a sunlight also, but sunlight is very powerful, more than other light. But let's try it. First we go to here in the render, and let's go to EV. For now we will see which engine will be better, better render engine, cycle or EV. We will decide that a little bit later. So first we will do in EV. It looks like this way. I want to put light in this angle, and here is the data object, is a light type of icon. Click on here, and here from here you can also change the light type, like it's point light. You can choose sunlight or spotlight or area light. You can choose from here also, but I want point light for now. So I will put a value for 1000. It's too much, I think. 500. And let's see also in render property and cycle. It's too much also for cycle. Yeah, it's giving almost same result. So let's go to here again and put 150. Maybe I'll put it more front, like this angle actually. Now let's see. I want put the value more, 250. Slowly I'm increasing. for now I will put it over here, a little bit top around it for the shadow also. Now I will add more light. I will now choose area light for now, take it over here and move it to here, and press 3 to side view and rotate it from top view 7 and rotate here. We the light angle, let's choose this thing. This light angle should be go uh, to the object, not anywhere else. Okay, you see, like this way. So let's now, I will increase the light power to 150. It's too much, I think 100. A bit much, I think it's maybe 75. And for point like this one, I also want to decrease to 150. And also remember what I putting the value over here, for your case could be different, like a different value could be the power. Let's say your case could be 500 or 250 or 50 or 10. It could be different, it's depend on the object size. Okay, especially here I did not give you any object size here, because we are making very basic. You can see the object size from here. My one is pretty much less than a cube, kind of a 5 feet around, maybe the height of the object, I think 5.5, most probably 5 feet. But you got the idea, right? What I'm trying to say. uh, I'm trying to say the height is around like this way, so you just having an idea of the object size of mine. So if your size is different, it could be the light also, light the power would be different. So try play on this thing and figure it out also. Okay, so now we'll do a little bit more thing for highlighting this stuff. I will choose this one, the point light, and shift D and move it to here, and I want to put it in back around like here, somewhere around here. um, kind of here, and shift D and Z axis for here, and think yeah, maybe it looks good. But I want to say one thing also, for video purpose I'm just doing it this shape, the render the camera shape like this way. But but if I do for my showcasing work, I would choose different resolution. I would choose like a let's say I want to show you 1200 by 1600 around like this way, and I will just adjust it like this way. So if you trying to showcase your work, like, don't need to copy me on this thing, you just change the settings from here, the resolution, or you can take the square shape like a 1080 by 1080, or it's completely up to you. So for my purpose I'm doing this thing. So okay, so I put it like this way. Maybe lighting I would do little bit simple, most probably. Let's see. Light more, I want to put as another light of area light, take it to here, let's see it. And if I, okay, it's making a bit better. But here I observe I want to go a little bit up from here for better view purpose, right? It could be looks better, I think so. So yeah, and let's go to background. I'm not sure, but I would like to try multiple things before finalizing my work. But I would like to increase subsurface. I'm not sure it's gonna be give a good result or not. So again and again we'll do changes and try to see what is better for us. Now I'm going to cycle, and I will the here you see the max sample is 1024. I will decrease to 32 for um, quickly load the screen and I can see it. And also here you see the render, and max sample is 4096, which I don't want, so I will decrease it to 256. And for this it's fine, I will say. uh, but if you choose 4096, that type of value, it could take huge time to render. So remember it. If your PC is good quality, so you can take a huge high number in render and max sample here. It will be more clear in it, so it's up to you. For me it looks good, but I would like to decrease the the light power a little bit and see how it's gonna look. I will put 100, and here I also put 50, and I think it's better, but I want to highlight this thing also. So I will choose this light and plus 3 and shift D, take it to here, and here in the data section I will choose it to point light. Now let's see. I think I would move it little bit here, so it looks good for me. Also let so yeah, I think it's good enough for now, but let's do a render and test it out actually, how is the quality. And press the render. Oh, one wrong thing I have done, I will show you. Here you, if you hide any object or you are not using any object, you see over here is a eye icon and a camera icon. And actually what is does, what is like a, it's hiding the view from the viewport from our PC, but it's not hiding the render. When you press the render, it will render that also. So first thing we will this one, my case, I will hide the render also. Okay, and other things like backup I uncheck it, so it will be disable all the things like viewport and render also. So I want to little bit make it organized. Select the all uh, lighting lights and camera, and press M, press click new collection, and I want to name a collection name light camera, and enter and put it over here as a different collection. So yeah, kind of like this way. And save your uh, blender file first and press the render. And I think it's in EV giving us good result, and I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. From here you just click on the image and click on the save as, and you just can save and choose the file, choose the folder and save the image. I want to save it render underscore 01. You can name it different. I just save it the image. Now one thing also, you can go to compositor, which I know many Blender artists don't like to do it, but you can also do some editing stuff over here. And just I'm to show you, which is viewer over here. You just connect to it also. Now you see the background image over here in the screen, and here you can choose many kind of things over here. So you can choose from here. I just choose color balance, let's see. And also I want to connect it by it, this one. And from here, if you see, I will change it the color. See, it is affecting the our final output actually. Okay, I hope you understanding it. See the color changing in the background. See, there is changes. Let me put it here. But normally, honestly, I don't want to do this thing, do the changes more, because I think it looks okay. I think it's good enough, maybe a little bit, but it's honestly, I would say, if you're doing for game projects or metaverse project, you render actually does not matter mainly. You just make the file, the mesh and everything, and export it and import it uh, in your engine and do the work over there. So if you're doing product designing, so you need those things. You can choose many more other things. Let's say for shining effect, like you can choose glare node. There is many things, but I'm just uh, I, so, ah, oh my god, I just control Z. Oh, it was connecting this way. Let's take it to here and delete this node. Control A and uh, color correction. From here, or we can also do something really good. See, these things we can do it. I think it's natural, but background it's very colory. Well, let's see the render one. Oh, it's got this. It's not working because we do some changes. So you just click to file and save and click over the render, and again we press the render image. And uh, let me cross it actually. Let's go to layout, and now choose the render image. And anyhow, it's good, giving some error. Let's go to compositor for this one. Oh, oh, we uh, did some problems. We delete the nodes which is connected over here. That's why uh, I would like to bring it back. Now delete it. Actually, we need this composite, this one. So I just accidentally deleted actually. Let's do it. Remember this thing. You don't delete this thing. Okay. So how many times I'm doing something mistake, you just learn from there. So I just want to have a color correction, and maybe a bit decreasing this value. And highlighting stuff, I'm not sure about it. Actually, I like this thing most probably. I'm not sure. Let's do a render and test it out. Click the render. Um, yeah, I think I like this one. It looks better. Yeah, I like this one. I would like to save this image to over here. I just put 2, render 2. I just click the plus or minus icon to increase or decrease the number of the image. So I will go to folder and let's compare it. This is 1, this is 2. It's looking over color. This looking a little bit less color. I think it's natural, the 2. But yeah, this one you can skip the part of a compositor also. So now I would like to do something more. I want to show you. I know it's taking a bit time, but let's see. I want to click this one, go over here. Maybe I'm not sure, but it could be better. Let's put it this way and delete. If there is and not anything, it just it's okay, take it to 0. I will just if mine was accidentally, maybe I put a key, so I deleted that thing. So for me, I just choose it to 0 and press I and rotation and scale. The camera we are trying to animate. Okay, so whatever the object you select, then those will be animated. You can do also render in cycles, because cycles is more better than EV, but it's take time, remember. I want to put it over here. I rotation and scale. Let's see it. I like it. I also want this background to expand, like from here, extrude to here, and by clicking this, Control B, bevel it like this way, and go to object mode and shapes mode. Let's go to the take the camera and go to 41. I think go over the shift and tilde key, take it to here, like this way. I and rotation scale. Let's see. I would for me I would separately like to render this part, but I'm trying to show you in one video, so don't want to make a next video. I know it's just you do the mainly most people will do the rendering and it's done for them, but I'm trying to showcase this thing. So I will take it to, let's go for 80 and rotate it, still the key, and I'm pressing the button WSD key to adjust it like this way. Put it in middle. You are focusing object, so put it in middle, remember it. Rotation and scale. I would like to see how it's going. Okay, and let's take it to 81 and tilde key and WSD to control it. Over here, I would like to put it little bit top over here. Oh, this is animation. You cannot do this thing, I think so. From, let's see, you can do it 80. I rotation and scale. Let's try it. I'm not sure if will work or not, but let's try it. F1, I, rotation and scale, and let's see. We'll try to render it everything in one video. From here, I choose this one. From here, I, rotation and scale. Let's take it to 120 down, and I would like to zoom and rotate. I want to rotate like this way, down like this way. I think it's fine enough. I think rotation and scale, and let's see the result actually. Yeah, I think it's good. And also I ended up in 120 frames, so here you see the start frame is 1 and end frame is 250. I don't want 250 now, I want 120 and press enter. So it will be end in 120 frame. If you do more frames, so you can adjust it according to that. Okay, let's play and see again. Is it good or not? Honestly, I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, to be it, it's good. I think this is the image I prepare, and this is the render video. You can make it slower. It's up to you. There is a lot of more things you can do. uh, just like graph editor and do more things, but I think for this one type of mesh showcasing this way, it's pretty much enough. Yeah, so be it. Hello guys, one update I want to show you here. uh, if you notice it, uh, here the shirt was coming out. I will adjust it in x-axis mirror and adjusted this thing. Okay, I want to adjust this thing, and I hope now it's going to be fine. Yeah, it is fine. And also one thing I want to show you, that is over here, over in the this property, which is output. You go to the down, here is the output. If you want to render video, so you just click over png to avi raw. Okay, it's important, and also put RGB and choose the folder where you want to put the render. So for my case, I want in this folder, so let's choose it, accept, and then click the render actually. Also here in the render property, choose also, if you choose for cycle, here in the device CPU, it will be default. You just click over here, and also if you have a powerful GPU, you can choose the GPU compute. For my case, I'm just choosing GPU compute also. And let me show you the result quality. See many things over there. That's, I hope you understand. Let me a little bit load. Um, yeah, it's better in cycles, in my opinion. So I'm doing over here, and there is a lot of things we can do, more things to make the render more cool, or more detail or more colorful thing in the blender settings, but for this video I think this tutorial is uh, enough. Maybe in the future video I will show you more stuff over in the render property, so in the coming future videos. So yeah, so be it. And also you can go over here in the render and render animation, and you can render your animation. And yeah, I would like to see that also. You can paste your the link where you upload your work, let's say ArtStation or Behance. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you guys. I will render it and add to this video also, so you guys can see the render video. And yeah, I hope you like this video. And also in the section, wherever you feel like you want to ask more question about the how, and anyhow you stuck on it, you can ask any question in the comment section below. Yeah, if you like this video, you give a like. And if you have any feedback, you can add the feedback in comment section also. I would be thankful to see comments. And if I can improve anything, you can suggest that thing also. And you also can suggest me what should I make next, which type of tutorial I should make next. And especially I will do this, try to do everything in free softwares, so you guys can access it. You don't need to buy subscription or buy any softwares. So this way I will try to showcase everything. So you can suggest me any topic also. So yeah, I think this is the end of this video. And yeah, and see you guys in the next video. I hope you like this. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.